And look at all these beautiful bikes. It's, you know, as a rider myself, it's hard to not make this about the motorcycles, but it's really not. Today is not about the motorcycles. This is the day of paying respect to a combat veteran, and beyond that, a severely wounded combat veteran. It just so happens that this is our way of expressing that respect. They're still out there directing traffic, and we're still just about a half hour shy of the unveiling of the motorcycle. And this is what all of these riders can expect when they come into Post 34 today. That was my hip. And here they come. Now there are a lot of Legion posts in Arizona, but this isn't exclusive to Legion riders. Anyone could sign up for that, and in fact today the post is open to the public. Military escort right there. Hope we have enough parking. So now this is the back barbecue, so that's the inside of the post that I filmed earlier. All the motorcycles you just saw right in, parked out there. This is the original building. Again, this post has been here for 79 years. And so this is now the Morgan Hall, and that's for club meetings, special events. It gets rented out if you're going to have a wedding or something like that. The